Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to allow your contacts to see your last seen status in Telegram on your PC. It's a simple process, so let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your PC. Step 2. Click on the three lines icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Step 3. In the menu that appears, click on Settings. Step 4. Now, select Privacy and Security. Step 5. Look for the option labeled Last Seen and Online and click on it. Step 6. To allow only your contacts to see your last seen status, tap on the circle next to My Contacts to turn it blue. Step 7. Finally, click on Save to apply the changes. That's it. Now only your contacts will be able to see your last seen and online status in Telegram on your PC. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.